Richest region in Vietnam? Where's the wealth? Think Saigon runs the table? Not so fast. If we're asking richest, it depends on the lens. By sheer economic output, Ho Chi Minh City dominates. Finance, services, HQs, venture money. That's why a simple bowl of pho near Ben Thanh can hit $3–4. But by per-person wealth, the southeast region spreads the crown. Barria, Vung Tau rides oil. Binh Duong and Dong Nai mint cash through export factories and logistics. Zoom into the map and you'll see where money concentrates. District 1's office towers and luxury retail, Tu Duc's tech corridors, Binh Duong's industrial parks, Vung Tau's energy hub. Up north, Hanoi anchors government, banking, and real estate, while Ninh funnels tourism and heavy industry around Hai Long. Central Vietnam's Da Nang is the rising lifestyle and tech mix. Bottom line, Vietnam's wealth isn't in one city. It clusters along the southeast growth belt with powerful pockets in Hanoi and coastal resource hubs. The engine is urban, but the fuel is industry, logistics, energy, and services.